What is life? What is life? Life is pure energy. Pure energy. That's what life is. Everything is life. Everything is alive. Nothing never dies. Never. Ever. Everything recycles itself. Everything recycles itself. Everything. Everything. Nothing leaves Earth. Everything is here at all time. Energy only transform. That's all. It's only transformation. Like I tell you, by the renewing of your mind, that's how you transform. And mind is just space. When you go out there and look, it's space. When them tell them go into space, them go into the mind. That's what space is. Mind and matter. Matter is when the frequency vibrating at its lowest. Mind is at its highest. You can't see it. But not because you can't see it, it's still there. You can feel it, you can sense it, you can experience it. It's right there. Everything is always here with you at once. Nothing can leave you. You are everything. Everything is with you at all times. You are pure space, pure mind. Out of mind comes everything. Mind over matter. All space, 99.999999% space. Everything comes out of space, out of the raw material. Look at the chicken egg. Look at the chicken. Look at the egg. Break that egg, you see that liquid. Put that egg and that chicken 21 days. Get that liquid. Where's that liquid? It's a chicken now. Everything is just space. Space. Mind. You focus. You pay attention. You bring things into existence. That's the only way it happens. Intense focus. Yeah. You're pure energy. Pure energy. But you can direct that energy or it can be scattered. You know? Yeah, man. The amount of energy you have is more than the electric is lighting up the world. Yeah, man. You have enough electric to light the entire world. You can light the entire world. You're a whole. Yeah, Lord.